In the beginning, the Creator fashioned the heavens and the earth, the light and the darkness, and set them apart. Yet, in the fullness of time, the epoch arrived when these primal forces would clash in a final battle to determine the fate of all creation. Aurora, the bringer of dawn, chosen by the Almighty, was anointed to lead the forces of light.
Clothed in garments of radiant white, I bore the sword of truth, forged by divine hands, symbolizing hope, purity, and love.
Her presence was a beacon, her countenance reflecting the divine light that flowed from the Creator himself. As the appointed day dawned, the Valley of Aeon Vale stood as the chosen battleground.
Here, with my Luminous Legion, we stand on one side.
These were angels, saints, and souls purified by love, their hearts glowing with the light of the Creator.
Opposite them, I and my gloom horde, a legion of fallen beings and spirits of malice, gathered.
Our forms absorbing and devouring the light.
The battle began with a thunderous clash, the valley resounding with the cries of combat. Aurora's sword of truth cut through the gloom, each strike a manifestation of divine love, revealing and dispelling the hidden fears and lies within.
The Luminous Legion advanced, their light forming a barrier against the encroaching darkness.
Nocturnus wielded his scepter of deceit with cunning precision, sowing doubt and fear among the ranks of the righteous.
The gloom horde capitalized on every moment of hesitation, their dark tendrils creeping ever forward.
Despite their valiant efforts, the forces of light began to waver under the relentless assault of darkness.
In the midst of chaos, Aurora realized that mere force would not be enough. She raised her sword and called out to her legion, "Hold fast to your faith and your love for one another. Let your light shine from within."
Her words were a spark that ignited a transformation. The Luminous Legion began to glow brighter, not from their weapons, but from their hearts.
Each soldier's inner light, fueled by love, merged with others, creating a radiant aura that repelled the darkness. Their love for each other and for the Creator became an unbreakable shield.
Nocturnus, sensing his impending defeat, unleashed his full power. The valley was engulfed in a maelstrom of shadows, threatening to extinguish all light.
Yet, Aurora stood firm, her eyes blazing with the conviction of divine love. With a mighty swing, Aurora's sword of truth struck Nocturnus's scepter of deceit.
The scepter shattered, and the darkness it commanded dissipated into nothingness. Nocturnus fell to his knees, the shadows around him dissolving.
Aurora approached him and spoke with compassion. "Even in darkness there is a chance for redemption. Choose now to embrace the light and the love that sustains it."
Nocturnus, defeated but not destroyed, looked up at Aurora. A flicker of something long forgotten, perhaps hope, crossed his eyes. He lowered his head in acknowledgement, and the remaining darkness faded.
Aeon Vale, once a battleground, transformed into a place of renewal. Flowers bloomed where shadows once lingered, and the air was filled with the songs of birds. The victory of light over darkness was complete, but it was not just a victory of force. It was a triumph of love, faith, and the enduring power of truth.